Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Nguyên.
How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Where are you from, Khôi Nguyên?
I'm from Vietnam.
Lovely. How are you today?
I'm happy.
You happy? All right. Can you name a days of the week for me, please? Monday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Okay. And what is your favorite color? I like. You like red. Okay. I have some flashcards for you. Please tell me, what do you see?
Milk.
Mule. Okay. What about this one?
Rule.
Good job.
Bike. Milk.
Yes.
Cake.
Yep.
Time. Hike. Game.
Game.
5.
Good.
Fine. Home.
Home.
Cane.
Cane. Yes. Cute.
Cute. Like. Tool.
Yes.
Pine.
Pine.
Cube.
Cube.
Wife.
Yes.
Main.
Main.
June.
June.
Cape.
Cape.
Tube.
Very good.
Cone.
Cone.
Rope.
No. Ripe.
Ripe. Kite.
Kite.
Line.
Lime. What is it?
Tape.
Tape.
Cave.
Cave.
9.
Number 9.
Dive.
Dive.
Gate.
Gate.
Gun.
Name.
Bone.
Bone. And
Rope.
lovely. All right. So the next one would be the story. Yeah. It calls Wake Up Mike. All right. You ready? Let's go.
My name is Mike. I ride my bike at 9 o'clock. I hike up to the pond at 10 o'clock. I dive in the lake and swim in waves
At
5 o'clock.
It is.
It is time to wake up my.
Good job, boy. All right. And the last one would be the side word called is. Is. Let's go.
This is a table.
This is
my
my.
table. This is my chair. This is my desk. This is my bed. This is my
Stool.
stool.
All right. High five. Good job. Thank you.